Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a cooking video. I haven't done any cooking for quite some time and it's like a nice warm evening, so I thought I'd do a little bit of cooking outside. I've had something given, a friend of mine gave us something to use. It's steam rallies, so I thought I would christen it here to cook this steak on. I've got a nice 12-ounce ribeye steak. I'm going to prepare that and then cook it. I'll bring the camera in, you can see what I do to the steak before I cook it. This is the ribeye steak I've got. It's been out of the fridge all afternoon, so it's up to room temperature. A little bit of olive oil. A bit more. All I'm going to do is season this simply with salt and pepper. Nothing flash. And I'm going to cook it the way I like it, which is medium rare. So this is the start of the summer, the barbecue season. I do like a good barbecue. This is what I'm going to cook it on. It's a short handled shovel. It's a shovel for firing traction engine steam boilers. It's nice and hot. It is clean. It's had a bit of wipe. So we'll just put the steak on. We should get a nice sizzle, get a nice sear. Put it on, leave it alone, don't touch it, leave it alone for a good minute. It'll take no more than sort of 3 minutes aside to cook this steak to medium rare. So it's had 1 minute now, we'll turn it over. It'll naturally be hotter inside a firebox, and of course you'll have the smoke from the coal as well to give it a bit extra flavour. Another minute and I'll seal the sides, and then sort of 2 minutes each side, and that'll be it done. Right, I reckon that steak is now cooked. We'll take it off. You need to let the steak rest. We'll put it on some aluminium foil, wrap it up, and we'll just let that rest, and all the juices will be absorbed back into it. I'm going to have some mushrooms with my steak. I'll get the fire out on the shovel. We don't want to fire. A little bit of olive oil. Right, some mushrooms, chestnut mushrooms, really nice. That's all I'm going to have with it. I'm not a great one for vegetables really. Right, there's the steak. There's the mushrooms. Have a little look and see what we've got. That is pretty good medium rare steak. Once again, just remains to say, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. Yes. Oh yes. Oh, dear me. Possibly slightly overdone. More medium than medium rare. Nice and pink, slightly more than medium rare. But really, 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 really tasty. That shovel is definitely well seasoned. Hopefully I get plenty use out of it in the coming rally season. Special thanks to my friend Phil Moody for giving us a shovel, something I will treasure. The fuel I've cooked it on is simply pallet wood. So basically, there you have it, steak on a shovel.